Look, because this guy, because this guy's doing this now, every prankster in the entire world that the city has, look, is coming down the street making this noise. Right, this guy, and he's not supposed to be making this noise at 12 o'clock. And it's all because of this city worker. Look, another city worker sitting there, 12 o'clock. Look, he's not even moving. He's just sitting there at the corner. And the only reason he's even moving is because I'm pointing my cell phone at him now, so he doesn't look like he's fucking sitting there doing nothing. He was standing at that corner, not even moving. He was just sitting there. This guy is one of these city workers who thinks he's funny by sitting there harassing people all night. Look at this guy. Look at the joke this guy thinks he's doing. This guy is another one of these terrorists working with the fire department and ambulance. Look, intentionally doing a job at 12:30 when he knows he's not supposed to be making noise. He was standing at the corner for more than a minute, not doing anything, just so he could lie to everybody. Look, it's this guy right here. He thinks he's Mr. Funny. Look, it's this guy right here. More of these city workers harassing us, pretending he's doing a job at 12:30 midnight. Yeah, sure, buddy. Yeah, let's keep laughing about it. You're really funny, aren't you? Yeah, you're a funny man, aren't you? Yeah, look, he's waving at us too, because he's mocking his job, and he doesn't care about what he does, and he only mocks people. Look, the guy thinks he's funny. Right, look, this jerk in his city car. Right, look at this fucking jerk. Yeah, you fucking idiot. Look, right there, yo, the city of Toronto, right, fucking mocking us. He's waving his thing, thinking he's being Mr. Funny. Tell you, he's sitting on the fucking corner, not even moving. Just sitting there, right, honestly. Look, this fucking idiot right here.